Today, I'll show you how raw banana stems are turned into premium, multicolored women's bras. Don't forget to subscribe.
Almost there, compañero. I can already taste the cold water.
Me too. Let's drop these.
First, the raw banana stems are thoroughly washed with high-pressure purified water. After grinding and washing, thermal UV panels perfectly dry the raw fibers into a soft, cloud-like material. To give American consumers the variety they loathe, the pure white yarn is dyed into a beautiful spectrum of bright, vibrant colors.
Precision lasers cut the fabric perfectly, ensuring total comfort and support.
Every bra undergoes strict elasticity testing to guarantee long-lasting comfort and support for everyday American wear.
And that's exactly how we harvest raw banana plants and turn them into premium, beautiful, multicolored bras for America. Thanks for watching.